Hello friends, peace be upon you. Friends, a website whose URL is up, which is svg.io. SVG stands for Scalable Vector Graphics. And, on this site you will find SVG files. And, if you want to create a custom SVG file, can be created through text. Suppose, I type lion at the prompt. Then I click on Generate. And, within 20 seconds its AI will generate that lion. As you are seeing, the success message. So, this site has created this lion. You can download it, as SVG from here. So, let's download it. Name the SVG file as lion, and save it. There is no copyright on it, because you created it yourself. It means that, this file does not exist on any website. So, can create up vectors in SVG format. And, they can be used for any purpose. This is an efficient website. And, now let's see what other useful websites there are that can help designers. So, let's continue this video. So, the SVG file we saved under the name of lion, open it in Photoshop and see. Image height and width is more than 2000 pixels. And, its resolution is 300 pixels/inch. So, that SVG Scalable Vector Graphic file is opened here. Its background is transparent. If you want to change its color, and, you can use it however you want. So, now we look at the next website. The next website is filecr.com. In fact, it is the biggest software store. You can download Windows, Mac, Android, or game-related software here. Or, now you can click on the categories, to see the up categories. For Windows, Mac, or Android you need. So, from here you can download the required software. There are also graphics, and design, or gaming tools. There is file compression, or antivirus and security software. You can check out the categories, it's a very useful website. Let's say, we want Adobe Photoshop for Windows. So, we search here by writing Adobe Photoshop. You will see that it has found 27 products. It has software related to Adobe. And, you can download whatever you want. And, it has the latest Photoshop 2024 v25.5.0.375. And, this is Photoshop for Windows. And, now click on Mac and search up. So, you can get Photoshop from here for Mac too. So, this website is filecr.com. So, you know that this website is for downloading softwares. You can search and download any software of your choice. The only condition will be that the software is available on this site. So, now we look at the next site. The next website is very interesting. This site is flaticon.com. On this website, you will find icons. There are stickers, there are interface icons, there are animated icons. Suppose, we want an animated icon. So, click on the animated icon and scroll down. Click on View all animated icons. And, you can download any icon from here. If you move the mouse over this icon, you will get the name of this icon. This is the click icon, or this is the like icon. Suppose, I want to download the like icon. If you click on download, you will get attribution required. You can download it in GIF, or MP4, or PNG format. PNG will be a static file, and will not have animation. So, for animation you have to download GIF, or MP4 format. Let's say, I download it as a GIF, then it starts downloading. And, this icon will be downloaded as GIF from here. I have downloaded this icon in both formats. This is as MP4. And, it's downloaded as a GIF as well. You can use this icon, wherever you want. So, one can download such icons from this website. If you want to stat icons, click on icons. You will get the stat icons, and any icons you want to download. You can download it for free, and use it wherever you want. For YouTube, for Twitter, for Facebook, Twitter has a new name called X. So, here you will find many icons. This is a useful website for icons. So, now let's look at the next website. The next website is lordicon.com. Icon will be found in this too, but very interesting. It has about 16,000 wired icons. And there are about 1,500 system icons. So, let's explore wired icons first. And, on the left side you will see category of icons. Suppose I click on the arrows. But check the category, which type of icon you want to download. And, these icons are also animated. This is the expand horizontal icon. By clicking on it, this icon will appear on the right side. You can adjust the hover stretch in its animation. Its strokes can be light, regular, or bold. Can also change its color up, if you want. Suppose, I change its color to red. After the red color is applied, the icon will turn red. You can download it, as a GIF. That is, its background will be transparent. By default its size will be 400 pixels. And, its delay will be 2000 microseconds. So, I download it here. And, from the status below, you can see that this icon is downloading. This is the icon that you downloaded, and open it by double-clicking on it. So, this GIF.e animated icon has been downloaded. This website is also very useful. Download icons, and by category which is on the left side. 60 icons are for design. And, all these icons are animated. Download, and put in videos. Or wherever you want to use. Or, want to use it for any other purpose. I hope you like this video, about these websites. I will keep introducing more such websites. If you like the video, please like and subscribe, and thanks for watching.